Hello from ICP desk. We are excited to be here at Automation Taipei 2025, showcasing our latest products and solutions at this grand event. Without further ado, let's welcome our President Frank to share a few words with our audience.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Frank from ICP desk. Welcome to 2025 Taipei Exhibition Hall. We have some display on IIoT and ESG solutions. In this show, we will show you about the IIoT and the ESG and the EMS. Welcome.
Thank you, Frank, for your wonderful introduction. Now, let's see some highlights of the booth. The redundant I/O system and the advanced IIoT Power Meter Concentrator and a new environmental monitoring demo kit. You won't want to miss any of the products. Let's go and check it out. The RIO 9830 is our 8-slot redundant distributed I/O system that supports mobile DCT server. It is designed with complete end-to-end redundancy, featuring dual power modules, dual communication modules, 2 sets of dual I/O modules, and 4 single I/O modules to provide full protection against failures. In the event of a fault, the RIO 9830 performs seamless switching that ensures uninterrupted data transmission and zero downtime. The RIO 98X0 series supports widely used communication protocols, including mobile TCP, EtherCAT, and Ethernet IP for easy system integration. In addition, the hard-swappable design of modules allows faulty modules to be replaced during operation, while unaffected modules continue running without interruption. Engineered for critical system reliability, this series is ideal for complex manufacturing and monitoring environments, including chemical plants, large factories, and water supply stations. Next, meet our advanced IIoT Power Meter Concentrator, PMC2841M, designed for reliable, secure, and intelligent power monitoring. It connects to up to 48 ICP DAS modules, include smart power meters and I/O modules, ensuring easy and flexible scalability. With its built-in if-then-else logic engine, the PMC2841M automates power demand forecasting and equipment control, while sending instant alerts via Line, Telegram, WeChat, or email. This ensures you can monitor factory-wide energy consumption anywhere and 24/7. A key highlight is its support for encrypted communication protocols and mechanisms, including HTTPS, VPN, SMMP-v3, SFTP, FTPS, and blacklist whitelist to protect your data at all times. Add the PMC2841M today to enhance both the intelligence and security of your energy management system. Now, let's take a look at our comprehensive environmental monitoring demo kit, widely used in data centers, production lines, clean rooms, and more. The DL302 sensor measures CO2, temperature, humidity, and dew point. When CO2 exceeds 1,200 ppm, the exhaust fan turns on and the alarm sounds. Alerts are sent to IoT Star and mobile devices via Line, Telegram, and SMS. Once CO2 drops below 1,000 ppm, the fan stops. This helps maintain a safe environment for offices, schools, and public areas. The system also includes a liquid detection module to protect critical equipment from flooding.
请注意，发生液体泄漏 ，Liquid is leaking. Please be careful. 请注意，侦测到水位太高 Please note that the liquid level is too high.
Finally, the IoT Star dashboard collects all sensor data through the WISE2841M edge controller, making important information easy to see at a glance. Thanks for joining us at Automation Taipei 2025. We hope to see you in person, and don't forget to chat with our experts to learn more firsthand. See you!